Welcome and hello to another video. Today I'm going to be showing off my farming game, and I'm going to be adding more plants like garlic and a bunch of other stuff. So far you've got like your person. You can walk around, you can run around, and then you have the shop here where you can buy wheat, because on day one you can only buy wheat. So you can buy some wheat, and that's like your farming plots. You only own one at the beginning, and then you can buy the others for some money, but that's not made yet. But if you grab like your hoe item and interact the dirt with it turns into tilled dirt, and then you can plant a wheat seed into it, which gives it this new texture. And then if we go back to our house, we can sleep, and then it like goes up a stage to the next growth level, and do it again. It's gone up another like stage, but it doesn't show visually. And then if you do it one more, it's fully grown and you can harvest it. You can harvest it with the rusty scissors, which deletes the fat and turns it back into normal soil, but it gives you wheat ×1. And if we check the store now, there is peas in stock. Each other item, like potatoes and tomatoes, peas, tomatoes and potatoes are random. All the crops are random in the store. Wheat is like a 50-50. It's a really high chance. Peas is also quite a high chance. Tomatoes and potatoes are low chance. But you can sell all your items, and we brought wheat for $1 and we sold it for $2. So now we have $2 in our bank, like a money thing. So we can buy more crops, plants, and then sleep, harvest, sell, and on repeat. But we're going to be adding more plants today. So if you want to skip to the finished product, you can skip to the time on screen right now. But if not, let's get straight to making the game. All of the items that we'll be adding today are on the screen right now. So you can see that we are going to be adding strawberries, raspberries, corn, apple, grapes, sweet potato, broccoli, cabbage, watercress, and garlic. The random 4 will be just changed to like infinite to make it more, yeah. So that is what we are going to do. And we will start by adding corn. So it is a large amount of like things to do, but if all of these cycles are just wheat, peas, tomatoes, and tomatoes. So we're gonna add corn, I'll just add all of the new items onto these right now. That is now complete. So we have every single one of these. We've added corn, strawberry, raspberries, apple, grape, sweet potato, broccoli, cabbage, watercress, and garlic. So now if we check out the game, we will begin. nothing breaks, and nothing will show here because we have not displayed it on this board here yet. So what we will do is make it so they display it on the boards. So we will go back, and if we go to index.html, we see that these have like tomatoes, Tom Button and stuff. So we could either make like 8 to 10 something more of these, or just reuse the same ones. I'm gonna make more because it's easier. Just copy and paste this. Wait, I'll just count 1 sec. So 3 times 1, 2, and then that. Now I just gotta get rid of 2, and then we now have 15 sections, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I think we have 15. So we're going to change each of these to that thing on like the paper. So I will do that like right now. I have completed renaming all of this to their like thing, and we have got in total 15 different like vegetables and fruits. So now we're just going to link them in the JavaScript. But first I will show you what it looks like in the game. So we've still got the normal shop and stuff, but if we interact with it, we've got all the new like stuff. I've added never mind. But we've got all of these as well now, which are all the new things. So what we've got to do now is make it so these exist in the actual game, because currently it's just showing it and this doesn't mean anything. So if we make it so like when you press garlic, it adds garlic to your inventory, and then after we make it so it exists and it works, we're gonna add randomness. So there's a small chance that like garlic can be on sale, and I will start doing that now. So we have to go to the JavaScript file. So this is all the like fruits and stuff. We have just got to go down and do this and do this shop stuff as well. So if we go to the shop data, no, it's TP shop. In here we can get all the stuff for the shop, and yeah, so we've got to add one of these for each other vegetable. So do that and that, and then just get rid of all of these. I will actually record it this time, so yeah. we have got to just recopy it because it didn't copy properly for some reason last time. So copy it, 1, 2, 3, get rid of the last 2. And now we will just replace all the stock, the wheat and stuff. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Down here is what we have to replace. And we shall start doing, well, I mean, we've got to change all of these to the different items that I showed before. So like we've got to change this from wheat to corn and then do that for each one. So go to get that and just do corn.m for each, and then the .m and stuff. But I just realized before we can even do that, we've got to link all the new menus. So we've got to grab this. So grab this, and then 1, 2, 3. Get rid of these 2. Now I've just got to change this down here. So we've got to change like wheat M to what I just showed you. So I'll do that quickly. But cannot really read it clear. Oh, so this problem is just appearing because we've copied and pasted it, and we cannot re-thing it. So we've just gotta change it all to the new ones, which I am currently doing. Apple M. This took me like 10-20 minutes last time when I did it on the HTML page. It took so long. And it was quite boring. But we've got to do it again, so yeah. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. And broccoli. Oops, wrong one. Broccoli. Oh yeah, by the way, by March, I'm planning to get 100 subscribers, so please subscribe so we can reach that goal by 1st of March, because that would be a really cool achievement. After that, 200, and the rest are gonna be even cooler, but for now you still gotta well, it's not that big. So please subscribe and like the video. Comment what you think I should add tomorrow, because I'm gonna do it for the rest of this week. And because never mind. So yeah, just please subscribe and like the video so we can reach 100 subscribers. I appreciate all of you watching who don't subscribe still, but just please subscribe. And this is the last variable, and then we'll be able to begin doing the actual stuff. So garlic menu and garlic menu, and then that is all of these variables, but we still have the buttons. Change all of this to button, to capital button as well, which makes it more annoying because my shift key on the keyboard isn't working properly. Well, it is sometimes working, but it's annoying because it doesn't always work. But yes, so carrot button, grape button, apple button, raspberry button, strawberry button, corn button. Oh yeah, and for like the corn and apples, like trees and plants, they will maybe like constantly produce until you get rid of them with a trowel or something. But for now, we're just going to do one harvest. And what you saw on the paper, for like the percentages and stuff, I might change because it is like too hard for an easy plant or something. But yeah. Now we can insert the stuff into the inventory and the shop. So first we will do the shop, because you need to buy first. So we gotta get a TP shop. This is the function that happens when you get teleported to the shop. So what is this? Head tips. Cancel. Yeah. Stock.corn equals true, else wheat. But yeah, we've still got to change all of the so all of these back to corn menu, and each thingy. But once I do a few more, I'm gonna make a second video today, so this video doesn't get too long. And yeah, I'll do the last of the berries, and then yeah, I'll do all these assignments here, and then I'll in the video. In my next video, I'm gonna add a keyboard on the top right that displays when I do the in this window as well, which I think would be cool. So you can see me typing. Change that to apple. menu, for like menu, the M stands for menu, but BTN stands for button. A button is just to like figure out when it gets pressed, and the menu is to display it. If the menu gets hidden, then the whole like thing gets hidden as well, to make it like, wait, it is just one big object, everything. The whole shop is a large menu as well. And this is really big and hard with grape, carrots. I've made a bunch of other farming games too, but they're not really anywhere as complex as this one. As you can see, I'm like, not even halfway through. Yes, halfway through. Wait, never mind. Nowhere near halfway through, but we've still got the thousands of lines. Other ones contain like 450-ish, which is like, this is really big. It's cool. I like it. Sweet potato. So, I don't know what to say right now, but sweet potato menu. Sweet potato menu. Change this one to broccoli. Okay, so I'm remembering all of this. I just have the book right next to me right now. Otherwise, I'll forget all of this. And with a book with the vegetables and stuff on it, so I remember. And each one is now also marked from when I did the other like thing that you guys saw in like an instant, and I started in like 20 minutes. Cabbage, watercress. I didn't know what watercress was since like 5 minutes ago when I searched it. It's actually like a little fluffy plant. There's one on the screen right now, but yeah, they're really cute, aren't they? It's a cute little plant. And yeah, I just realized like right now, editing this will take ages, but this is the last and final like thing, so I guess I'm gonna say goodbye, and the last thing we should do is check if it breaks. So begin into the shop, and this is broken. There is one error, and that is there. We can fix that. So sweet potato double M doesn't exist. Now if we save it and go back, it should all work. I got rid of double M. Oh, it's right here again. So now if we do it, it shall all work. Reading style, TP shop. At least 3 potatoes now fixed. 1021. So an F1021 is sweet potato m dot style dot display equals none. That's because, oh, is it? So dot if stock dot sweet potato equals true, and let me just find this and see if it is true. Stock dot sweet potato. Oh no, let me just go to sweet potato. So if we look in the stocked area, oh, it's stock. No, there's also stock. Oh, it's just because I haven't added the code to it. So once I add this, it should all be fixed. So if I add false to all of this, and then I'll do all the random things tomorrow, and just later in general, and I will fix all the other stuff like later, but now it should be 10, what's that, 1031. So 1031. Sweet potato menu equals sweet potato m, and in here there is no results. So sweet potato m, if we go and find sweet potato, I remember doing sweet potato, watercress, cabbage, broccoli, carrot. What? I never did sweet potato. Or I accidentally deleted it. But that's fine, because we're going to just replace it. Sweet potatoes underneath carrot. So if you just put this here, rename it to sweet potato. Sweet potato. Change this to sweet potato m. Now that will just be applied, and add sweet potato here. Sweet potato takes 4 days to grow, so 484. 484. Change this to copy there, and then change that there to SWE for sweet potato button, and then watercress, change that to this, get rid of the M, capitalize the S. There we go, check everything. Now if we go back, and now if we check it, it will be all good. 1031, what happened? It's the exact same thing. So we will go back. Sweet potato menu exists. Sweet potato menu exists. 1031. Sweet potato menu, yes. Dot display equals none. So that should all be working. So sweet potato menu. Sweet potato menu. That's the whole thing here. So sweet potato menu, it should be working. Sweet potato, so what? Start display equals none. What if I just get rid of this like block of code for a second, and so get rid of this. And now if we check it, $860.17. What's at 860? 860. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. TP shop, that exists. We were just in there. What do you mean it's null? What does it mean? Don't get rid of any other ones. If we go back here, reload it. 1038. TP shop. What's wrong here? This broccoli. What's wrong with broccoli? Broccoli menu. Then broccoli menu. What is this then? Broccoli. Oh, it has an extra L. So if we go back and go back, get rid of the extra L in broccoli, and add an extra C, save it, go to the other one, reload, enter, and sweet potato and raspberry. Is there anything wrong? Did I not do raspberry? So sweet potato is the only one that should be staying, and then raspberry up here, raspberry menu, got one here. I've only got two. Oh, so I didn't add raspberry to the shop. Stock strawberry. Underneath that should be raspberry. I'm probably just put the apple one over it. So just change that to raspberry menu. Copy this. Go there. Go there. Get a VM. Save it. Go to that one. Reload it. Sweet potato. Okay, I'm just gonna re-add sweet potato. So go back. And if we go to sweet potato menu, save that. Sweet potato menu, yes. I mean, just get rid of this for a sec. And then save it, go into here. Reload, and that is broken. Sweet potato cannot read sweet potato menu. That is the exact same one. Dot style, dot display. It's the exact same as the rest of them. So it should be working. Reading style. Sweet potato. Well, tomorrow or later we will fix this. Wait, we've got to do the exit thing. So I've got to go back, get rid of this for now. and then go back, reload it, get it back, enter it, it works. Okay. This is for my Farming Simulator 2026. If we press begin, you have your character, you walk around in all directions, and into the shop. You can see various wheats, just don't mind the sweet potato. So you can see the wheat, and you can buy it, walk up to the farming plot, hoe it, seed it, and then if you go back to your house, which is on the top left of the screen, you can sleep, it grows, and it grows. You can go over to it and harvest it with your rusty scissors, and you have it in your hand. If you go to the shop, you can sell it, and then you can exit the shop, and that's what we have so far. If you want to see what we actually changed, you'll have to watch the whole video, because most of this stuff is hidden. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. I'm trying to get 100 subscribers by March the 1st this year. And goodbye.